Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Traverse. Stock number is A7008. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Traverse on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.